marker. Charming's a funny town.
That's for the gag reel. No.
I'm fucking sorry. I'm fucking sorry. I can't. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm doing nothing. Are you blaming me?
Here we go.
1, 2. I can't open the door.
Motherfucker won't light.
Sorry.
Take your time. Okay.
Sorry.
How far you want me to let this thing roll?
Fucking bite! Follow him! Keep your distance! Fuck!
Where's Tig?
Bobby! What the shit?
Lord, I see us, you.
Sorry, fucking fly right in. Like, going into your nose.
That's great.
Sorry, all I could do was look at it, man.
Hang on. Wait a minute, I wasn't done. I was still acting.
Yeah, I can't prove shit, but we all know it in my gut. We all do. Okay.
It's about. Fuck, what was it about?
Fuck, I don't know what the line is. I got no idea what the line is.
That's my camera. See, I was playing to the wrong fucking camera. We go again? Oh, we haven't gone yet.
So this is how you guys think it works, huh?
Are you fucking serious? You have no idea, you fucking white trash piece of fucking shit.
It's fucking come back. I just said fuck.
Jesus Christ. Doesn't anybody listen to me anymore?
I do.
Me too.
Sorry. Where'd you get the intel on the girl?
Picked up the description and found that minivan, wherever the, you know that minivan. I warned the fucking minivan. Yeah.
I'm not the one having murdered!
To all of you in editing, I'm sorry for your having to watch all of this.
Cameras are set. Gemma? She ain't in here. She rapped.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Why is Henry Rollins using my fucking phone?